Cheers, but I'm way ahead of you guys now. I took a bunch while I was off camera. It's going nuts trying to find the tools I needed. One bolt takes a hex head and boy is that tight. Oh man, I've got grease on me. I just know it. I don't know if this brush will do or not. Cobalt. Next step up from Harbor Freight, right? It did it. Do Loctite. Boy, good thing I didn't go full gorilla on it. I was going the wrong way. See what kind of damage we can do here. None. Let's see, nowhere I can get up in there. There she goes. Yeah, there's definitely discoloration in there. I don't know. Cheers. Cheers again because I can. Because I'm an asshole. Holy hell. Yeah, I'm that guy that causes wrecks at red lights. Cheers, I forgot, sorry. All right, I was cheating again off camera. Now these bearing caps, you want to put them back the exact same way you took them out. Left side goes to the left, right side goes to the right, same direction, top. I think they're tapered, so this looks like an 88 or BB, but since there's no identifying marks on these, so I will put my own on. 1, 2. On the top. 1, 2. Over here, I'm just going to do one mark. 1. Dumbass. Well, Mark's there, so we're good. Now we can safely take that off and make sure we put those caps back where they belong. In the same orientation as they come off. Well, I don't want to remove anything yet until I measure the back. Jesus Christ. I don't want to remove it, the differential, the ring gear and stuff, until I measure the backlash. It doesn't feel like much. It's moving very little. But I want to measure it with the micrometer. The wear pattern, I don't know if you can see it or not. It looks like it's a little to the inside. I don't know if that's a drive side or a coast side. Now this side over here looks like a big bite. But everything looks good. I went all the way around. There's no chipping going on anywhere. Everything looks smooth. Guess I'll have to call one of the kids to come get me because I've been drinking. And tomorrow I'll try to remember to bring my micrometer and we'll see if we can get a measurement off this backlash before I disassemble. Alright, that's it for tonight. There you go. Well, it's a new night and I forgot my micrometer, so I guess I'm not measuring backlash tonight. So we'll go ahead and get this differential ring gear out in the meantime. As long as we're within spec when we put it back together, right? This is a 3/4 inch for these caps. This thing is soaking wet from all the humidity. Well, not the humidity alone, but there is a temperature. 62 degrees. And we're coming out of a freeze. So we got ourselves a big Coke can here, sweating in the summer. We'll bust this loose before we take the caps off. That'll help prevent surprises, right? Okay. There we go. Oh, we got a portable table over here. That's further I gotta walk. Put that differential in here, right? I tied the tie rod up out of my way in the release spring there. And I feel like removing more bolts. Oh boy. This thing will fall on me. Destroy something. Come on. Be nice to me. Here we go. Top. Put that one back at the top, one back at the bottom. Wish me luck. There's these shims in there, right? I'm not seeing them. Okay, passenger side. Driver's side. Because I'm lazy. Work smarter, not harder, right? This is driver's side right there. Okay, the tool they want to remove these seals is $200. That's aftermarket. So I saw how it was used, what made it work. Decided I'm going to go with the loads. I got 6 foot of 1/2 inch diameter all thread, standard threads, 13 threads per inch. I spent $12.19. Big difference from 200. I got 2 big washers, 2 smaller washers, 4 nuts. So I'm going to make something up that goes in there, and I can hit on it with a hammer. I can cut this any length I want. And let me put this together and see what we got to work with here. Okay, this is inside there. You see that plastic bushing. It's a guide bushing that guides the axle up into the seal. So we don't want to damage that. We didn't get replacements of those. So I took a socket. I found a socket that would fit through there and took that with me to know what size washer to get. The washer I did get was a little too big. I'll just take it to the bench grinder, grind it down a little bit. And that there should just about fit through. Like I said, I'll have to grind a little bit. We could check it, but I don't think it's going to fit. No. So I'll grind that down a little bit. We'll get the slip in there, past that bushing, then we'll start pounding that seal out. But this is what I made. These washers, they're a little thinner, but that's why I got 2 of them for more strength. I had to go with a smaller washer because the nut almost went through this bigger washer. So let me grind that down and see if we can make this work. Oh, dumbass. All right, I put a double nut at the other end so I can hit it with a hammer without destroying the threads on the other end. Hopefully. Okay, we're past the bushing. The seal. Wish me luck. Well, that was pretty easy. Did it all come out in one piece? Looks whole to me. This is differential side, ring gear side, and this is the side the axle goes into. So yeah, looks like we got it all in one piece. That worked great. All right. So I just saved over $180 on that, right? Let's do the other side. Okay. This all thread I bought is 6 feet in length. I needed at least 3 feet, I think, to get that seal out on the passenger side. And I didn't see no 4 foot lengths. So I got the 6, it was the next one up was 6 foot. I grabbed it. And if I don't have to cut it, I won't cut it. But we'll see. I think I'll pass that bushing. Try again. I'm against the bushing. Grinding up. Wow, this seal is actually very close to that pushing. I can't drop down in behind it. That didn't come out as a hole, did it? Yes, it did. All right, good enough. Now we gotta clean these axles out. Axle, it's only one, you dumbass. Come on, give me my new tool back. Got it. Guess I'm gonna make a mess with brake clean. Rusty. See if we can rig up to push the seal in.